Welcome to Laser Basket device today. I'm here to talk about this revolutionary device which has reformed the lives of many people suffering from various diseases. This device works on the principle of photobiomodulation at a wavelength of 650 nanometers. In this, the light penetrates into the tissue 3 to 5 cm deep where it is scattered, reflected and absorbed. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, is directly involved in the process, hence leading to production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. In the inner membrane of mitochondria, a protein called cytochrome C oxidase is capable of absorbing light, which increases its activity to pump H-positive protons, which lead to increased ATP production. This process is known as oxidative phosphorylation. The byproducts formed during this process are free nitric oxide and reactive oxygen species. The production of these signaling molecules has been shown to induce growth factor production, increase cell proliferation and motility. This in result helps to cure many diseases and helps in pain management and wound healing. Cardiovascular diseases, also known as heart diseases, can be treated with the use of Laser Basket device. These include hypercholesterolemia, hypolipidemia, hypertension, atherosclerosis, heart stroke, ischemic stroke, hyperviscosity, and other coronary and vascular diseases. These diseases, when treated with laser radiation, activates different enzymes and decomposes redundant fat in the bloodstream. It also increases the oxygen amount in the blood, boosts metabolism, and enhances the process of lipid peroxidation to reduce cholesterol in the vessels. Diabetes. It is commonly found in Indian population, especially type 2 diabetes. In these, the cells become resistant to insulin, that is, the pancreas secretes less insulin than your body requires, which in turn leads to increased level of blood glucose. Because your body requires more insulin than the normal to open the glucose transporter channel, thus increased level of blood glucose leads to diabetes mellitus type 2. With the application or use of Laser Basket device, the radiations bring biological changes in the cells, resulting in normal production of insulin by the cells, hence resulting in utilization of excess of glucose, which in turn leads to normal level of glucose in blood. Pain management and wound or tissue healing. Laser Basket device, when applied to skin, helps from irradiation of neck pain, back pain, various joints pain, and helps in relief from pain in various other diseases like arthritis, spondylitis, and sports injury. To get relief from pain, Laser Basket device, when applied to skin, works on the axons of the neurons that extends from the cell body to the bare nerve endings in the surface of the skin, where the nerve endings are superficial in nature and thus are easily within the penetration depth of Laser Basket radiations. Thus, the brain, hypothalamus, requests the release of specific hormones or chemicals that can have the analgesic effect, which can reduce or inhibit pain sensation. Whereas in wound healing, there is increased cellular metabolism and the byproducts formed such as nitric oxide and ROS, reactive oxygen species, play an important role in inducing growth factor production to increase cell proliferation and motility to promote extracellular matrix deposition. Outside the cell, nitric oxide drives vasodilation, which improves microcirculation in damaged tissue, delivering oxygen, vital sugar, protein, and salts while removing wastes. The effect of Laser Basket device can be seen in nasal problems such as nasal polyps, rhinitis, sinusitis. The laser device has a laser head for nasal cavity, which when applied to nasal cavity produces radiations from it, resulting in the inhibition of mast cells to produce histamines, which further inhibits the secretion of mucus. Nasal polyps are slowly decomposed by the use of this device, and it further helps in proliferation of new cells and repair the existing damaged cells or tissues. hence leading from the eradication of various diseases.